CCRMA VR Design Lab explores the artful design of virtual reality for human expression and creativity. We design audiovisual interaction as well as the relationship between the virtual self and the virtual world. What does it mean to design artfully in the medium? How should we curate VR experiences? What are VR's artistic, philosophical, humanistic implications? How might we design virtual environments that encourage play, stillness, and calm? What new experiences can we craft for artful, interactive, multi-modal storytelling? What new musical instruments and interactions are possible? What does it mean to perform in VR? How might we play music socially in virtual space? How to design new tools for expressive VR. Speaking of tools, we built VR projects using Chunity, Chuck, and Unity game engine. This allows audio to be synthesized on the fly in tandem with graphics and player interactions. Comprised of 12 movements, 12 Sentiments explores the emotional life cycle of a plant. The Fisherman is an interactive narrative where you fish for objects that remind you of your perspectives in life, including perspectives on human need and values, perspective on time, and perspective on empathy. This is a series of musical instruments for VR that would be impossible to create or play in the real world, including the shake marimba, strange flute, and hair instruments. Virtualin is a two-person VR violin where one controls bowing and the other controls pitch. Inner Transmissions is a VR sound installation that explores the interaction between virtual environments and time perception. Envisioned as a VR interactive museum for computer music, visitors to VRMA can explore Karma in VR. Visitors can enter various zones of interest that thematically mirror various research labs at Karma. For instance, the Music Computing Design Lab is reimagined into a musical city, where visitors can conduct various city elements to artfully design music of their own. Or enter the Neuromusic Lab and take a boat ride into the ear canal to learn about the science of hearing.
Hello, welcome to the ear canal. What is a sound? Sound is a pressure wave that travels through a medium like air.
Spork is a VR computer music ensemble where both performers and audience engage in a shared VR concert space. Audience members create their own avatar and go through a series of tutorials on interactions.
You can move using your left joystick and snap turn using your right joystick.
Later, they gather in a virtual lobby before they experience a set of musical works. By the way, this is what this piece looks like from the outside.